Hi, today I'm going to make energy bars or breakfast bars. These are bars I've been making over the years. But today I'm going to try an eggless version, so let's get started with the dry mix. First in, we put breakfast oats. These are quick cooking oats. To that, we'll add some whole wheat flour, which is your normal atta that you use every day in your house. To that, some chia seeds, some baking powder, some baking soda, and then we can add some chopped pistachios. You can always use walnuts or almonds, any nut of your choice. So let's just stir this to mix it all well together. That looks done. Now we're going to put this away and start with the wet mix. So let's get started with the wet mix. We'll add some ghee or clarified butter. You can add unsalted butter as well, but I like to use ghee. To that, we're going to add some coconut sugar. You could use brown sugar if you like. To that, some Greek yogurt, a couple of spoonfuls. And then some vanilla extract. I make mine at home, but you can use a store-bought version. And a pinch of salt. So let's blend this together to get the sugar mixed in. Okay, that looks done. Now let's get the dry mix and stir it in. You can also add the chocolate chips at this point if you like. And that done, let's start stirring it together. Just gently so the wet mix and dry mix meet. There we go. Scrape the sides of the bowl and don't overmix it. Okay, we're good to go. Now let's transfer this to our baking tin. So I'm just going to transfer this to our prepared baking tin. I've got an 8-inch square baking tin. You can use a 7x11, it works just as well. So what we're going to do is push it through into all the corners and flatten it out just like this. So I'm using an offset spatula, but you can use a butter knife. Just make sure you press it all into all the corners. Use your fingertips if you like. I'm going to top this with a bitter orange marmalade. That's something I make every season. You can find the recipe link in the description below. I just find it adds really nice flavor to the whole bake. Take the offset spatula and spread it really thinly over the top. We don't have to use much. You can also use strawberry preserve or something if you like, but I just find this works really well with this particular bake. There we go. That's done, and now we can take this and bake this. Alright, that's baked and it's looking done. It's smelling really good. What I'm going to do is drizzle some melted kumquats chocolate over this. This is entirely optional, but I think it gives a really nice finish to this bake. Use kumquats chocolate rather than compound because kumquats has better fats. So we take our offset spatula and spread it right across. Since the bake is still warm, it's going to help the chocolate spread through. There we go. Push it into all the corners and we're almost done. So that's done, but I'm going to pretty it up a little bit. I'm going to sprinkle some toasted oats on top. They'll stick to the chocolate because it's still warm. Nice sprinkling, and then I can also add some slivered pistachios. I love the color pop it gives. So that's basically it. Once this is cooled down, chill it for a couple of hours and we can slice and serve it.